Greetings, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here today with Imagine Crafts. And this is going to be a fun card for fall. So I pulled out my favorite Kaleidacolor inks. This time I'm using Autumn Leaves. And with my Kaleidacolors, I always use the Kromekote Glossy paper and my brayer. So with the Kaleidacolors, as I showed, you can, when you first open the ink pad, they're separated. You push that little lever and you can put the inks together. So then you can use the brayer, roll it across, pick up the ink, and smooth it out on that paper. And I just like to go over it quite a few times just to get a good coat. And this is just such an easy way to do ink blending. It is ridiculous. It's so easy. You know, I sit there with the blending brushes and the toothbrush blending brushes and everything, but there's nothing easier than this. See, look at that shine because of that glossy paper. Anyway, so that's done, and I'm going to take my StazOn all-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to clean off my mat. And there it is, just nice and quick, really quick cleanup. So now I will pull in my Misty, and I'm going to stamp my sentiment straight on this. Now, the Kaleidacolors, they are dye inks, which means they will dry quickly, even on that glossy paper. So I'm using a cat scrappiness stamp that is called Happy Fall, y'all. And I'm going to take out the sentiment that says, "You are never too old to play in the leaves." And I'm going to have some fun with this card. Make a little goof, but it's okay. It's fixable. And there is a difference between the card you see when I finish and the card that's actually on the end screen, because I did do a little fix-up for it. So here we go with the VersaFine Claire in Pinecone to stamp my sentiment. And I'm just going to go ahead and double stamp it. I do realize that that bar magnet is just a little thicker than I would normally use in this stamp positioner. And so I'm going to move that one. And, well, I guess I'm done with that. I'm going to pull out my StazOn dauber, and I'm going to clean my stamp and my Misty door. And then I'm going to put that away. That magnet is a little thicker than the regular original Misty magnet, so the door doesn't close all the way, but I guess I did get a good impression on that one. So now I'm ready for my card base. This is from Cut Cardstock, and that's the name of the company that made the base. And I'm going to use black. My card base is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 side folding, and I am going to make this a portrait card. So where I would normally do top folding, I am doing side folding. I'm using my tear it tape to put down my panels. My black panel is 4 by 5 1/4. And I do put the bottom down first once I make sure that it is where I want it. Then I'll peel that top off. And then I'm going to do the same, except I'm going to lay the tape down the long sides and put my card top on. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to line it up, put it down on that one side, and then I'll pull the tape cover off to put down that other side. And I could have stopped right here. You know, I could have, but I didn't. I have some die-cut leaves that were from a card kit that I honestly received in 2017, and I had never used anything out of the kit. So here I am using my on-point glue, and I am just laying down some leaves that were die-cut. They were part of a kit I received in 2017, and I never used any of the kit. Figured this is a good time to use it. So, like I said, I'm using on-point glue to attach these leaves down, and then I'm going to pull in my Gold Pico Embellisher and do 3 drops around the sentiment just to highlight it a little bit, and with that my card will be complete. I thought. I did go in with my Memento markers afterwards and add some coloring around the edges of the leaves. Then my card was complete. You'll see that in the second photo. Anyway, if you're not a member already, hit that subscribe bell up above so that you're notified with when one of the design team members do post a new video. Thanks for coming and have a great day. Happy crafting!